Okay, good morning. My name is Larry Smiley. I'm with Gene Smith. We're in Rocky Mountain, North Carolina at the SHP Sleeping Heavenly Police headquarters for this ministry. We're here to show a simple video that we use to help us in putting our beds together. We came up with an idea of making these blocks that help align up the headboard with the side rails. On these, we'll get the measurements later on, but the bottom of this block is a little bit longer to help it be stable, and then this top part right here is the same height when we put them to match them up, so it's already like an extra pair of hands. I paint the red so you'll know that the red side goes up because this is a little bit taller than this block here. So this is just an extra set of hands. We pick the side rail up, put it right here. Especially if it's just two people doing this, this works out really well because it's an extra set of hands to help line things up. And then all we do is if you'll notice, the side rail is supposed to be about the same height as what this second board here is on your headboard. And then now it's already preset, the holes are pre-drilled, and it all matches up perfect. So then we just put both side rails in. Then it all lines up, and then somebody gets there, and then they put in the screws. Okay, this is something extra that we do. Rather than get down on your knees and try to put the headboards to the side rails, we stand the headboards up. We get our drill and our screw. The holes are already pre-drilled. And we go in here and zoo these screws in. Go on and put the screws in, put the two in here, and then you come back and you flip it over. You got two in already down there. You come up here and you put your other two in up here. And then you're set. So when you get down on your knees to put this together, the screws are already into place. And all we have to do is get down and put them in. Yeah. Instead of getting down and trying to line the hole up and put them in, screws are already started. We run them through just far enough where you can feel the points, kind of feel it when it comes through, and that's you stop. And then you push it up and you line it up with your holes here and use your slat as your guide. And that's just something we do to help put the screws in before we get started. That's something extra we come up with. Sometimes the slats may be cut too wide and they don't fit, and that means you're going to have to cut them because they're stapled together, as you know, for safety. But we came up with a slat that we use. I painted it red on each end just to keep up with them so I know where they are, where it is. And we use this as a measurement to be sure that we've got our side rail width right. If they're not, and it's too much out, it'll split the wood when you go drilling it in. So this helps us keep the slats down and in place, and the side rails will be in the right position. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching.
Each 2x6 boards are cut 8 inches long. When joined as pictured, the height of the jig is 8 inches, and the base is about 9.75 inches long. We also paint the top of the vertical board a contrasting color for easy orientation.